Hello, this is Complex Numbers Part B.
Graphing a complex. So this is an extension. If we need to graph a complex number, we need to label the x-axis, the real axes. And then we're going to take the y-axis and call that the imaginary. So if you notice on the right. So in order to graph, let's say -1 plus 3i, we're going to plot the point -1, 3. Meaning we need to compare to x and compare to y. So we're going to use that part and that part, the a and the b term. So if we plot the point -1, -3, we go over -1, go up to 3, we put a dot. Okay, so that's -1, 3. The absolute value or modulus of a complex number is the distance from the origin. If we look, so this point here is 0, 0, and we're looking at that distance 2, -1, 3. Example number 1, if we need a graph and find the absolute value modulus for 2 plus 3i, we're going to look at a plus bi being this way. So we know a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, so we're really graphing the point 2, 3. So if we go over the 2, go up to 3, this point here is 2, 3. We are trying to find the modulus from this point 0, 0, or the distance. So we're trying to find that distance there. Well, if you remember about distance, we know that the distance, draw this little triangle, you actually have, yes, the Pythagorean theorem. If you remember the distance formula from geometry, we know that d is equal to the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Or in our case, it's the square root of 2 minus 0 squared plus 3 minus 0 squared, which is really equal to the square root of 13. If we look at number 2, we do the same thing. We know that the point that we're trying to graph is -3, -4. -3, -4, and we're trying to find that distance all the way to 0, 0. So the modulus or distance is equal to -3 to 0 is -3 squared. We're going to add that to -4 squared, or -4 minus 0, which is equal to d equals 9 plus 16. D is equal to the square root of 25, so d is equal to 5. Summing all this up, okay, absolute value or modulus of a complex number. Okay, graphically, the absolute value of a plus bi represents the distance from the origin. So we know it's the square root of a squared plus b squared, because 0, 0 is the origin. Again, do your best, forget the rest. See you sooner than later. Peace out.